Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I am going to talk about the monthly innovation challenge given by Shivaji University to the students, researchers and faculty members respectively. If you are visiting this channel first time, then please press the subscribe button as well as the bell icon. Shivaji University Center for Innovation, Incubation and Linkages of Shivaji University Kolhapur and SUK Research and Development Foundation offers this platform to students, research scholars and faculty members for demonstrating their creative, innovative, feasible and economically viable solution to the existing problems in variety of domains or fields. The identified problem can be related to product or process of concerned fields. Participants are expected to identify problems in a day-to-day life in concerned fields and also are invited to propose their innovative solutions. The innovators are invited to identify unidentified or existing problems in a field of agriculture related to process, instruments and products. Agriculture plays a significant role in the Indian economy. Almost 70% of the rural household depends on agriculture. It is a crucial sector of Indian economy, contributing about 17% to the total GDP. A solution-minded innovator is invited to offer creative, feasible and economically viable solutions to problems, identify them in the field of agriculture related to process, instruments and products. Now let's have a look on instructions given by Shivaji University for this monthly innovation challenge. There is no any fee for this event. Fill the Google form by clicking the link given in the description box. Identified problem should be observable and should need solution. Participants should fill all the details of the problem and solutions. Upload the image or document or PDF or video of problem and solution if required. Now let's have eyes on rules for this monthly innovation challenge. Shortlisted participants have to present the problems and their innovative solution to expert judges during the online presentation. A team can have a maximum of 4 participants. Copying of idea is strictly prohibited. For this challenge, decisions taken by SCIIL Shivaji University Kolhapur remain final, and judging will be based on innovativeness and feasibility of the presented idea. Tomorrow, that is on 15 December, there is an announcement of challenge. To becoming part of this challenge, last date of online registration is 5th January 2022. Shortlisted participants will be communicated by 9 January 2022. पार्टिसिपेंट को ऑन सेकेंड वीक ऑफ जनवरी को ऑनलाइन प्रेजेंटेशन देना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद सेम वीक में ऑर्गेनाइजर्स रिजल्ट्स अनाउंस करेंगे. If you want to ask any questions related to this event, this is the contact number given by the organizers. अगर आपको यह वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक एंड अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर जरूर करना. Wish you all the best.